Hey everyone, today I'm going to take a quick look at how you add a ticket or an issue, a bug if you found in the platform. Log into the FlexFlow system. If you don't have your credentials, please ask one of us to send you your credentials and create an account for you. But to create a ticket, you would go to, this is what you would see when you log in to your back office. You would go to tickets and simply add a ticket. Give it a title like, let's see, issue. Okay. If there's a project aligned to it, you can align to a project, or you don't have to do that. And then we've got a couple of categories here. It's an Android issue, it's an iOS issue, e-commerce, general support. So we'll put general support, and then just a description of your issue. You know, not able to send push notes, right? Whatever that is. If you have a video, you can add a video link, like a link to an online, like a Google Drive or whatever, with the video in it. If you've got images, you can upload an image and just hit the save button, and that's it. And then you'll be able to follow along on this ticket. You can see I just created this ticket. Okay, and as we get the ticket and any of our development team starts looking into the issues, and we'll be able to respond right on the ticket, and you'll get email notifying you of all the updates in the ticket. So that's how you create a ticket. It's just going to help us organize things and keep things in support where you don't have to reach out to an individual person. You can create the ticket, and whoever it needs to be assigned to will be assigned to it, and you can go from there. The other thing is, in your projects list, if you've got projects with us, custom features or whatever, you can click on the projects and you'll see the projects here. You can click on that, and then you can add tasks in the task Kanban and or task list. I prefer the Kanban view because you can see it more visually here, but either or. Click on the add task button, give it a title, a description. If you know who to assign it to, you can. These are your collaborators, sorry, and these people you assign it to, we will do that for you. If you want to, you've got some priorities and you've got some labels you can pick from here as well. A start date, that's all you need to do. Again, you can upload images as well, and some other file types. And that's it. Once you've hit save, it will save that, and then this, again, could be something that can be followed along on a thread as well. Thanks for watching.